If you are trying to input grades and you're noticing that your M1 and PR1 grade columns are not showing, so that it appears that you're unable to input grades, you need to first go to Gradebook, Grade Sheet, and then you'll see here just PR2. Come over here to the right side of the screen and click Settings. And then you'll have Progress 1 and Marking Period 1. You need to check these boxes. Click Save Changes. And then you can come back to Grade Sheet here. And then now you'll see all of your assignments from Marking Period 1. Because I'm impersonating this teacher, I'm not able to like input the grades for her, but as long as you have those boxes checked, you'll be able to see Marking Period 1 and Progress Report 1 and be able to update grades.